What happens to a trillion-dollar industry when its main product becomes obsolete? As electric vehicles take over the roads, oil demand is starting to decline. But behind the scenes, Big Oil isn't giving up without a fight. In this video, we're unpacking what really happens when gas cars die, and what it means for the future of oil giants, oil-rich nations, and the global economy. This isn't just a car story. It's a global power shift. Welcome to Techie Tales, where we explore the future, one story at a time. If you're into EVs, tech trends, and global shifts, hit like and subscribe. Now let's dive in. Electric vehicle sales are exploding. In 2025 alone, over 17 million EVs are expected to be sold globally. Governments are pushing for change. From Europe to Asia, bans on new gas car sales are coming, many as early as 2035. Automakers are already shifting. GM, Ford, Volvo, and others are investing billions into electrification. This isn't hype, it's happening. And it's going to shake the oil industry to its core. Here's the problem: transportation accounts for nearly 60% of global oil demand. That includes everything from personal vehicles to trucks and ships, but cars make up a massive portion of that. So if EVs keep rising, oil loses one of its biggest markets. That's not just bad news, it's existential. Now imagine countries where oil isn't just a business, it's the entire economy. Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, Venezuela, Iraq, Kuwait. These nations depend on oil exports for survival. In Venezuela, over 90% of export revenue comes from oil. In Nigeria, it's more than 80%. If global oil demand crashes, what happens to these economies? Can they diversify fast enough? Or are we heading toward financial chaos in oil-dependent regions? Let's talk about the companies. ExxonMobil, Chevron, Shell, BP, they're not blind to this change. But their strategies vary. Some are investing in renewables. BP has pledged billions for clean energy and EV charging networks. Others are doubling down on oil while quietly exploring carbon capture and biofuels. But here's the catch: oil profits are still massive. It's hard to walk away from a cash cow, even if it's on the clock. So the transition is slow and risky. So, can Big Oil survive? Maybe. But it won't look the same. The smartest companies are already pivoting. They're becoming energy companies, not just oil producers. But smaller players, and some oil-rich nations, may not adapt in time. We could see bankruptcies, political unrest, and massive layoffs across the globe as the market shrinks. Let's be clear, oil isn't going away tomorrow. Aviation, shipping, heavy industry, these sectors still rely on fossil fuels, and electrification there is slower. But the writing is on the wall. For the first time in history, the future of oil is uncertain, and it's being written by electric motors, not gas tanks. So what do you think? Can oil giants adapt to survive the EV revolution, or are we watching the beginning of their end? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. The future is coming fast, and Techie Tales is here to guide you through it.